Hey my people, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a simple, delicious and super comforting recipe for you. Native spaghetti and beans jollof. This is one of my go-to recipe, very delicious and easy to make. The best part, you only need a few basic ingredients. Whether you are making for yourself or the whole family, this dish is guaranteed to hit the spot. Now guys, let's start. Now, in a dry pot, go in with reasonable amount of palm oil. Once it is heated, introduce your diced onions. Please be generous with your onions. Alright guys, let's give it a gentle stir and allow it to fry for a minute or until fragrant. Alright, checking back. At this point, go in with a teaspoon of garlic powder or paste, whichever one you have, a teaspoon of the dried thyme and some bay leaves. Stir them in and allow to fry for a few seconds, okay? Now, let's introduce the next ingredient. Here is our pepper mix. It consists of onion, long pointed peppers, tomatoes, and scotch bonnets. So, what I did is I washed, cut them up, okay, and transfer in my blender. You can see I gave it a rough blend. You can choose to give it a smooth blend, whichever one you prefer. Now, let's give it a gentle stir and allow it to fry beautifully, okay? Now, like I always say, it is very advisable that you prep your ingredients before cooking. Can you see how everything is going smoothly? Yes. It makes the cooking process easy and fast. Alright guys, at this point, our tomato is 90 or 95% fried. Go in with your seasoning, some ground crayfish, and salt to taste. Remember, it's native spaghetti and beans jollof we are making, so do not skip the crayfish. Very important. Now, stir it in and we're going to allow it to fry for extra 3 to 4 minutes, okay? Checking back after 3 minutes, guys, it is ready, well fried. And how to know is when the oil starts floating. You can as well test it to see if the tanginess is gone. Also, this is the right time to make adjustment to seasoning or salt. Now that the base is ready, let's go ahead and introduce the spaghetti. This is one of the star ingredients to this recipe. So you go ahead and parboil your spaghetti. Do not overcook it, let it still be hard, okay? Now pour that in. Now introducing the second star ingredient to this recipe. This is cooked black eye beans. Can you see how soft it is? So you have to cook it until it is very soft and tender. We need the spaghetti and beans to marry each other very well. So you can only achieve that with the help of very soft beans, like this one you're seeing on the screen. Now that goes in. Afterwards, stir it until everything is well combined. You need to take your time, do not rush. Take your time to mix it well. Please, if this is your first time meeting my video, you're welcome. Thank you for tuning in. My name is Ijoma. Here I post videos on how to make easy, delicious cooking recipes, baking, delectable small chops, snacks, and more. So if it sounds interesting to you, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you become part of the family, okay? Thank you. Still on the business of combining them to have this uniform look, okay? So this is it. It is time to introduce some liquid to it. I'll be using some meat stock. You can use any stock of your choice, but make sure to add little, let's say a cup or 1.5 cup. We have our beans well cooked already. The spaghetti is almost done, so you don't need much water. Now let's adjust it to make room for the water to circulate, okay? Now, let's cover it up and allow to cook. We're not cooking for a long time. Checking back after cooking for 2 minutes, it is time to introduce our grilled deboned macrofish. Pour that in, stir it, and cover to cook for extra 1 minute. Oh my, it is coming up so well. Please, you're free to use any protein of choice, okay? Now, if you have watched up until this extent, you've done well. It means you are enjoying this video. You may consider liking it, commenting, and sharing for others to learn as well. Please endeavor to subscribe if you haven't, and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my upload. Thank you. Now let's cover it up. We do not want it to dry completely, unless that's what you want, okay? Checking back again after a minute, it is time to garnish it up lastly with some finely chopped onions and any leafy greens of choice. I went in with some sliced spinach. It could be your ugu leaves, that is fluted pumpkin leaves, or scent leaves. Preferably it would have been scent leaf, though I couldn't find it here, okay? Alright guys, let's stir it in. Oh my, look at this sumptuous goodness. I'm sure someone is salivating already. I know you are. You haven't seen anything. Just wait when we'll be dishing it out. Let me seize this opportunity to welcome my newest subscribers. Guys, welcome on board. And to my returning subscribers, guys, thank you for coming back to watch my video. I appreciate. Love you all. Alright guys, at this point, it is ready. Let's take it off the heat. And there you have it, guys. Our delicious, succulent, mouth-watering native jollof beans and spaghetti is set. Please give it a go. A trial will convince you. And help me share it to your friends, families, and loved ones for them to try it out as well. Now, here is the best part for me. It is dish off time. Dish it out with me, okay? Oh my gosh, look at that. Just look at this sumptuous goodness. Someone is making this recipe. I know. Yeah, I know. Just follow the steps and you are good to go, okay? Also, I'll be here to respond to all of your questions, okay? So feel free to drop it under the comment section. All right, guys, we're done plating and look at how it is looking. So delish. Please give it a go, okay? You will love it. And thank you for joining me in creating this amazing recipe. It is testing time, guys. Let's test it together as always. Grab your spoon or fork and let's go. Look at that. Just need good. Guys, it tasted super good. A trial will convince you like I said earlier. Alright guys, thank you once again for watching. I can't wait for you to try this recipe out. And if you found it interesting, don't forget to like it, share, and comment. Until I see you next time, keep cooking, keep smiling. Bye.